eye chart basically gives you a lot of screeners with all technical parameters. And then you can, export the file to an Excel sheet and then sort it as you want it. Filtering and sorting and, bring it down to whatever limitations you want. Be it futures, be it anything, including commodities. So in this case, check your eye chart EOD. Check screener EOD under the stock list. This is all Indian stocks. And now you come down, scroll down, and you have your advanced search. Click on advanced search. Now you can actually put a parameters whatever you want. Here you put volume, last volume, contains greater than or equal to 5 lakhs or 500,000. Right? Now you put Williams are here, less than or equal to, put minus 80. Come to RSI, less than or equal to 45 or 40. Okay? Last close, greater than 100.
Okay.
Indian rupees है ये. CCI less than minus 100. Now you go on to the upper selection. You put EMA 5 greater than or equal to EMA 20 or EMA 13, whatever you want. EMA 13. EMA 20 greater than EMA 34. EMA 34 greater than EMA 50. ठीक है? The last close greater than SAR value. PSAR. Right? You can do a lot of such fudging. Similarly, you will look at it, do search now. See, do you get anything in search? All right. Remove the Williams R RSI completely. Remove Williams R and RSI completely. Select one कर दे इसको. बस select one कर दे, कुछ नहीं करना. इसको RSI को भी select one कर दे. RSI CCI दोनों निकाल दे. Even CCI you can remove. Now search. All right. These are all the positive stocks because the EMA 5 is greater than EMA 13. EMA 13 is greater than EMA 20, 34. Right? Now you can actually do and how many stocks are these?
These are
70 stocks. 70 stocks. Go down. Last close. Select last close. Less than mid Bollinger. अब कर search कर.
So we have 3.
So now there are 2 which are in the futures, which is not yet crossed this mid Bollinger Band. And the last close is between the mid and the lower Bollinger Band. If you look at SRF, the last close is 4224. The lower Bollinger Band is 4100. The mid Bollinger is 4233. Right? Now that means the target is going to be 4368. Upper Bollinger.
Yes.
Right?
Right.
So the target is almost about 130 points away. 130, 140 points away from its current value at 4224. Similarly, Tata Steel is 423. Target is 443.
Yeah.
Right? Now, at the same time, 443 target जो है आपका, अगर आप देखोगे, आपका SMA भी जो होगा, SMA 5 is 430. EMA 5 is 430. And you are at 423. You still have 7 rupees to go for your EMA 5 to be crossed over. So even a 7 rupee would give you a 2% profit margin,
Right.
right?
Right.
That is how the iCharts help you on Indian stock market. This entire table can be exported, and then you can play with the figures.
Yeah. Yes.
And these are all 1 month future stocks. They are all traded on futures.
So I think this would be a good reference for people who are trading
In Indian market, the
Yeah.
iCharts is a boom if somebody knows how to use it. इसका अगर देखेगा ना, check the Williams and CCI also. इसी chart में जो table में देखेगा देखो. Just go to your right, you'll see the chart. Go to your right. You see Williams are
Mm-hmm.
minus 51, minus 67. CCI minus 63. And RSI also has scope to go up another 14 points. 70, 75 is the oversold position, no?
Yeah.
That another 14 points there. So momentum is going to be positive upwards.
That's correct.
And if you look at the same chart again, move to your left on the screeners, you will get a lot of places, including education.
Mm-hmm.
Come down below the calculators, come further down, education. Yes. Strategies. Everything is here.
It's a good learning.
Yeah, of course. And especially pivot points are very helpful.
Mm-hmm. Does investing.com doesn't have this?
Investing.com doesn't have all of this. It has a few screeners, but not as exhaustive as this would give you technical screeners.
Okay.
iCharts and technical screeners, nobody can touch them. They're that good.
Yeah.
It covers practically everything, including ADX and ATRs and everything. Can you open up a Bank Nifty chart on this? So Bank Nifty, they must have done a very good thorough analysis also.
Mm-hmm.
Left column में charts होगा या chart watch होगा, देख ले. हाँ, इसके नीचे ये charts देख ले, chart watch पे check कर.
This one?
Bank Nifty करते हैं. Nifty Bank. अच्छा आ गया lovely आ गया. इसने क्या क्या लिया हुआ है? EMA लिया हुआ है, EMA 20, EMA 50.
Yes.
डाल अपनी डाल CCI and Williams are
Williams are 14.
वो ठीक है, वो default. Bollinger Bands default. RSI
और कुछ डालना है?
एक्सपोनेंशियल एवरेज निकाल दे, 50 का निकाल दे. 50 का जो एक्सपोनेंशियल एवरेज है वो निकाल दे. एक मिनट, 20 एवरेज है, 20 का एवरेज तो आएगा, बॉलिंजर बैंड में आ जाएगा. फिर रिफ्रेश द चार्ट, नीचे आएगा, ऐसा जूम इन होगा. बस अब देख ही लेना इसको, यू कैन सी इट आउट. इसी में दिखता है. गैप डाउन खुल गया, 23 का है. मिड बॉलिंजर बैंड इज EMA 20. It is already at EMA 20.
It's going down.
हाँ, और नीचे का चार्ट क्या बताता है?
अभी
दोनों नीचे जा रहे हैं. दोनों नीचे जा रहे हैं.
विलियम्स सर -61 पे है, RSI 52 पे है,
-52 पे है. और वॉल्यूम वही है 50K के आसपास की वॉल्यूम, एवरेज वॉल्यूम है, एंड
Yeah,
कैप डाउन खुला हुआ है।
right. अभी
22,000 would be a first support. 22, 21, 500
and then 20,
graphically, yeah, 21,000.
yeah, 21,000.
एंड बॉलिंजर बैंड का देखो दिखेगा वैल्यू 21,011। लास्ट पे आ जा, एकदम लास्ट ट्रेडेड डे पे बॉलिंजर बैंड की वैल्यू क्या दिख रही है? 21,162। So 21,100 is we are
60.
looking at the support. और वही सपोर्ट भी दिख रहा है देखो,
Yeah, same. We are also discussing 21,000.
21,000। ठीक है ना?
Okay, ठीक है.
डन 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 डन। चलो जी, एंजॉय करो।
Thank you.
अरे
अभी
मोस्ट वेलकम, मोस्ट वेलकम।